Hi guys, I guess I'm coming back to YouTube. And I am, but I'm not. So TikTok is banned in the USA now. United States, America, it's banned. It's a goner. Now I don't think it's gonna stay gone, but oh my god, this feels weird on TikTok. I have still posted this morning. It is 12 o'clock now, but I thought I would do a Sunday reset with you guys and just spend the day with you guys because I've not done it for quite some time. I've got a video that I need to film and finish. I've got other video that I need to edit. I'm gonna go and take the dogs out for a walk. So I guess I'm doing my productive vlogs again. And hopefully we'll grow our income on this platform. I'm hoping TikTok won't go on the UK, mainly because I actually have partly an income on TikTok and I'm actually quite really proud of it. But my videos do actually alright now on YouTube, so hopefully this is all the platforms finally being on my side. But let's crack on with the day. Let's do a mini haul. I have not done a haul on YouTube for quite some time. So let me show you everything I got yesterday. I got some bath bombs. I got this. I got a new Valentine's Day bath bomb. I'll put in the Lush TikTok that I made in this vlog. I got 2 new skinny dip tops. I might actually sort my tops out today because one of my goals for this year is to buy not buy more things, but if I am buying anything, I want to buy it in good quality and not like Primark, or even though this was from New Look, it's skinny dip. So I want to buy it in better quality, and the Adidas top is new as well. I have been spending quite a lot, but believe me, this is the year that I spend less. Just January had been really bad. So this is one of the tops. I forgot her name. And then that's the back. I love the back. I'm really into my back tops right now, even though most of the time I'm wearing a cardigan or a jacket, but when it's summer, they are going to pay off. And then I got this Adidas top. Haven't worn this one yet, but look how cute it is. It's a bit crushed. And then the back is just plain. But they did have a new light pink one, but I've got loads of tops like that. So we're going to go through my drawers today. And, well, my clothing drawers, because I haven't done my clothing drawers yet. And then I've got this one. This is a throwback. Who used to watch Strawberry Shortcake? I loved it. I just loved the front of it. It's just so cute. And then this is the back. So I'm building up my skinny dip collection this year, and I'm going to probably do a TikTok about it because skinny dip noticed me last year. What the fuck? Skinny dip literally noticed me. Oh my god. And then we've got a budget planner. We're going to start that next month. And I got, so the bubble baths that they normally do, the big one, they've started doing smaller versions. So I've got that, like a smaller version of one that I haven't tried. And then that's just all. Then I got some of these just to wash my bod. Then I got these. I haven't actually tried them on yet. I don't know if they're going to be like flares, but they're so comfortable. And to me, they're gym leggings. So we'll see. But I just love the colour. They look like flares and they look like they're not going to fit me. But oh well, we will try them on later on. And then with that, I got another gym top. This is literally all I got from Primark. Don't know what's wrong with me. I became a gym girly and working out. And so far I've only lost a pound. I have only been doing it for a week technically. So this is the colour. And then I got socks because we're still in winter and I have found my new favourite socks for the winter and autumn and just Scotland in general because we get still cold days in Scotland in the summer. So these will be handy. And I also got a new strawberry shea butter and some other stuff is hopefully coming tomorrow. So I will continue this vlog tomorrow as well. But that is everything that I got so far. For a haul, I am trying to cut back. I've been saying this on my TikTok quite a lot. But yeah, we're going to go and walk the dogs now. Me and the dogs are going to go on a walk. And then I'm going to probably come back and do my clothes. Going to be a productive day, even though every single day I say, oh, I'm going to have a rest day, I'm going to have a chill day, and then I end up doing something. I've started on these like gummies and they've gave me so much more energy, but also because I'm doing more, I'm also tired but awake at the same time. Bit weird, but yeah, I need to go and take Mindful today. But that's why I've been able to lift more. My stamina has gotten better. I can run 7.5 now, and just in general, like I said, I feel more awake, but also I'm more tired at night time. I don't know, but I'm loving it so far. But yeah, let's go and walk the dogs. I need to brush this mop of a hair. It's freezing. I'm edited the vlog. I've walked the dogs. And yes, I've not filmed any of it. Give me a break. I need to get back into the swing of filming long form content. So this vlog is not going to be long, but I did film a haul, so I guess it will be. But it's freezing. It's run cold again. So let's try and warm up and tidy my desk and do my clothes, and then I will be ending this vlog. My belly just rumbled. I'm trying to eat less and my belly's still like, no, I crave the sugar. But I'm doing good on that. I've been working out quite a lot as well. I might end this vlog here and then continue another vlog tomorrow for YouTube to get me back into the rhythm, because we might be going to B&M as well. I love a B&M trip. Haven't went to B&M for ages. But this is the outfit of the day, even though you've already saw my top. This is the outfit. Let's get to doing my clothes and then I'll quickly do my desk, because my desk won't take too long. I'm going to end this vlog here with the mini haul and this clothing organised, tidy with me. I've got rid of, not loads, but I've been briefed to. I'm like, I don't wear it. And I feel like I'm finally realising my style. Like this baggy top, jeans or leggings, tucked in, cardigan on, that is my style. That is what I find comfortable. So when you look in my wardrobe, that is why there's loads of cardigans. I literally have so many cardigans. But I also love stuff like this. Like this jacket, like throwing stuff that is stylish, but you can also feel comfortable. Like if I unbutton this would look like such a cute outfit. But I'm freezing. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog, like actual vlog coming back, because the past 2 videos I do need to film the manifesting scrapbook. I'll probably do that tomorrow afternoon. But the past 2 videos, don't know if I'm going to upload this one first and then upload my manifesting one. I might do that. But the first one that's went out, that's going to be today, and then maybe this one, but the next one is my manifesting vision board scrapbook is not up. That video as well, they're both sit down videos, so this is the first like actual vlog of the year, and I am back. I'm trying to go on every single platform this year. That is my goal, to post more on Instagram, upload more on YouTube, and continue it with TikTok. Bye guys.